Hello everyone, Mitch Foley from Timesavers here at our Minneapolis facility. Today I'm going to show you our new 22 series EdgeMaster, as you can see right beside me. This 22 series is equipped with a drum top brush. The drum head will remove your vertical burr and your top brush head will edge break your parts. That means in one pass through this machine you will be able to completely deburr and edge break your parts. How this head works is it will oscillate 5 inches in total side to side with a 10-inch top brush. The way you can access these top brushes is by removing a couple bolts on the back side to which the head will slide all the way out. To change this abrasive, you just grab the brush and give it a quick twist because it is equipped with the quick disconnect technology. After you change your brushes, you go ahead and slide the head back in, insert the 2 bolts, and you are ready to go ahead and start processing your parts once more.